The Gaggenau dishwasher features 3 customizable racks that run on unique smooth gliding rails with a soft close to prevent jarring in the middle and lower racks. So let's take a look at how a dishwasher should be loaded so that you can get the most out of this well-designed rack system. Loading tips lower rack. Tines in the front of the lower rack can be folded down to accommodate large pans or creating more space for wider casseroles or bulky dishes. When washing vases or decanters, fold down the tines in the rear of the basket and support tall items by lowering the brackets to help keep them in place. The half shelf at the rear of the basket can be used for the placement of small cups or long-handled items. Accessories such as the included cutlery basket and long-stemmed glass holder and accessories such as the combi steam oven pan holders can all be accommodated in the lower rack. One accessory wine glass holder that will hold 4 long-stem glasses is included with the dishwasher and can be accommodated in the lower rack with the tines in the flat position. The holder is designed to cradle a variety of glass sizes, from the narrowest of champagne flutes to large balloon glasses, and each glass is angled to prevent pooling in the base. To load the holder, first make sure the upper rack is in the high position and the tines in the lower rack are laying flat. Pull up the rotating fixing arm and rotate counterclockwise. Place the stemware facing down on the support. Turn the rotating fixing arm clockwise and push down to lock into position. Place the holder in the lower rack using the handle, ensuring it sits securely on the rack. Loading tips middle rack. The tines in the middle rack are also adjustable, while the half shelf can be lowered to support stem glasses, small cups, ramekins, or long-handled items, and to create additional space over cups or glasses. The middle rack also includes an extra cleaning area for increased performance or for the gentle treatment of glassware. The design of this area allows jets of water into dishes or glasses for exceptional cleaning. Folding racks with soft sliding protectors made of silicone ensure secure positioning, especially for long-stem glasses. To use the optional extra cleaning area, first pull the rack forward and push the slider to the on position. Then load the rack with the glassware in this area. If this function is not required, simply move the slider to the off position. The middle rack is height adjustable to accommodate the placement of larger dishes, glassware, and pans. To raise or lower the rack, simply press the levers on either side of the rack towards the center and raise or lower the rack to the desired position. Loading tips top rack. The top rack can be used for silverware, long-handled items, or very small items. Pulling the levers on either side of the rack forward lowers the side of the rack, creating space to accommodate ramekins or small cups. An additional basket accessory for washing bowls, cups, and cooking utensils is available to maximize the use of this rack. Removing the racks to accommodate tall items. Both the top and the middle rack can easily be removed for cleaning of large items such as oven trays, stock pots, and ventilation filters. The included spray head must be attached to the rear of the dishwasher to provide water flow when the middle rack is removed. And of course, remember to remove it before replacing the middle rack. To remove the middle rack, pull the rack out all the way. Lift up the front of the rack out of the catch, pull it forwards and lower. To reinstall the rack, pull the rails all the way out, insert the rack keeping it slightly elevated in the front, and gently push it in so that the retaining pins lock into place. To remove the top rack, pull the rack out all the way, lift the front of the rack out of the catch and pull forwards and lower to remove. To reinstall the rack, pull the rails out all the way. Insert the rack keeping it slightly elevated in the front and gently push it in so that the retaining pins lock into place. As you can see, the technology in the Gaggenau dishwasher is amazing. And once you understand that the dishwasher is designed to work for you, using all the features will transform your dishwashing. Remember, the water usage is lower than hand washing, so don't hoard your dirty dishes. Use the dishwasher daily with the appropriate cycle, and remember the mantra for best results: scrape, don't rinse. Dishwasher soap only activates if there is work to be done.